Continuing the same topic, subtraction, today I am going to explain you the concept of from. So we are learning the exercise 3.5 till question number 2 we are already done. Let's see the question number 3. Children, you can see this question, it is written in this form where the from is written. So what it is explaining us that this number you need to subtract from this. And as I told in my previous video also that the number from which we subtract is minuend and the number which we have to subtract is known as subtrahend and the answer is known as difference. So here first thing that and we know that from bigger we can only subtract the smaller one, means we cannot subtract this bigger one from the smaller. आप बड़े नंबर में से स्मॉल वाले को तो सब्ट्रैक्ट कर सकते हो लेकिन स्मॉल नंबर से बड़े को सब्ट्रैक्ट नहीं कर सकते. सो हियर वी कैन सी व्हिच वन इज बिगर, दिस वन, बिकॉज इट इज 52,087 and this is 34,631. So one thing is that from bigger we have to subtract the smaller one. So bigger is written first and you have to remember that if from concept is there, from means में से, इसमें से हमें इसको सब्ट्रैक्ट करना है. ओके, सो ऑलवेज रिमेंबर व्हेन द फ्रॉम इज रिटन, दिस नंबर विच इज रिटन एट सेकेंड पोजिशन इट विल रिटन एट फर्स्ट. सो वी आर गोइंग टू राइट इट. इट इज 52,087. Now at the bottom of this we have to arrange this one in a proper column. It means ones place at the bottom of ones, tens at the bottom of tens and so on. Is that clear how we have arranged? So when the from is given, this number come at first position and the first goes at second one. And you can see the bigger and the smaller one. Now we know how to subtract as I told you and you all know how to subtract. So let's see, 7 minus 1, it is 6 because we can subtract from bigger to smaller. Now 8 minus 3 we can do 5. Now 0 minus 6 is not possible. So we have to take borrow. It will be 1 and when it give borrow to this it will become 10. Okay, so 10 minus 6 is 4. 1 minus 4 is again not possible, so make it 4 and this is 11. 11 minus 4 give us 7 and 4 minus 3 will give us 1. So the answer is 17,456. This is the difference. And you can learn like the children, this is minuend, this is subtrahend. So minuend written first and the subtrahend written as second, you will get the difference. In the same way, there are more parts of the question number 3. Once you understand the concept of from, all the questions are similar. So try to solve the remaining also on the same pattern. You have to remember only this. If from is written there, the second number is written at first, the bigger one. And the first one is written at bottom of this. Now along with this there is the question number 4 which is about fill in the boxes. So let's see that also. Like in addition we have learned that how to fill the boxes. Some blocks are empty given to us and we have to fill those missing place. Similarly in the subtraction also we can do that. So I am taking one question from your book only. Now before explaining question, I want to share some points which you need to remember. Children, as we all know that we are doing minuend minus subtrahend. Do you remember we had done this? So we got the difference. Okay. Now from this only I can write two more observation that if I add these two, it means subtrahend and difference. If I add these two, what I got? Minuend. So minuend, because we know minuend is the bigger number and from the bigger when we subtract smaller, this is also we get the smaller one. So these two numbers when get add, it will give us the minuend. So I can write that if I add difference plus subtrahend, it will give me to minuend. You need to remember this because when we solve the question, find the missing places, this will help us. So the addition of these two will give us the minuend. And similarly, like I have subtracted subtrahend from minuend, if I subtract difference from minuend, it means I can change the position of these two. Difference is written here, so it will give us the subtrahend. So the another result is minuend minus difference. It gives us subtrahend. So I am telling you with one example so that it clear to you. Okay. And you need to remember this. You will get this these formulas in your worksheet also. So children, as I am writing here 12 minus 7, I am taking simple example. So it will give me 5. As I know 12 minus 7 is 5. So now check. If I add these two, 7 plus 5, what it give me? 12. It means the addition of subtrahend and difference give to me minuend. So I can add these two numbers, it will give me minuend. The another thing, if from 12 I subtract 5, 12 minus 5, give me 7. So from minuend, if I subtract difference, it will give me subtrahend. So I hope these facts, these points are clear to you. Now, using these clues, we have to find the missing boxes. So I am taking the question number 4, first part of exercise 3.5. So it is, and children, be very careful when you are doing the question. First I am writing the places, 1000, 10,000. So it is 7. Then there is one box, empty box, another one, and then 5. And in the difference, there are certain places blank. This one. So I hope the question is clear to you that this is minuend, subtrahend and the difference. So you can see in subtrahend there is no empty box. So let's start from ones place. So at ones place both the digits are given. So I can easily subtract 5 minus 5 give me 0. Ones place is clear. Now tens place. Always remember children, the upper number should be bigger. So there is a number from which we can subtract 4 and give us 7. So do you remember just now I tell you that minuend is the addition of these two numbers. So 7 plus 4, 11. Am I clear? So I cannot write 11 because I have to write the single digit. But what I can do? This is 1 and after taking borrow it will become 11. Do you understand what I have done? Because 7 plus 4 give me 11. So I have to write 1 here. And how it become 11? From taking the borrow from here. So it is 5. When it give borrow, this one will become 11. So 11 minus 4, 7. The condition must be satisfied. Now from 5, I cannot subtract 8. So what should we have to do? Definitely it will be 15. Because bigger number should be there. So it means यहाँ से इसने एक borrow लिया है. ध्यान रखना, इसको mind में रखना. That from 5 we cannot subtract 8. So definitely it will take borrow from the 1000 place. So 1500 minus 8. It means 15 minus 8. It will give us 7. Now what number must be there? And it has to give to borrow this also. So again it is the addition of these two numbers. So 3 plus 2. It is 5. 5 minus 2. 3. But remember one thing children. That 3 plus 2 5. So 5 will be here because it is giving borrow to this. So before that it is 6. So when it give borrow to this one, it will become 5. Do you understand? So 5 minus 2, 3. If you are writing 5 here, then it will give borrow. So 4 minus 2, it will be 2. It will not satisfy the condition. So you remember it has given to borrow this one. So 1 should be added. That's why it is 6. Now 5 minus 2 is 3. Now reach here, 7 minus 3 will give us 4. So I hope it's clear. Children, you need to do practice. जब आप practice करेंगे तो अपने आप आपको you will make a practice and then you will learn and it become easy for you. So let's solve one more question with me. Okay. So now I'm explaining you one example because second part you need to solve yourself. So the question is, again I am writing places. Hundred places blank. Now this time I am giving you the subtrahend places also to be empty. This is 3, 6, 4, 6. I hope the question is clear to everyone. Now remember one thing, we are doing subtraction, not addition. So from 3 we need to subtract something so that we get 6. So do you remember children कि 3 में से आप कुछ भी subtract करोगे तो 6 तो आएगा नहीं because 3 is less than 6. So definitely it is what? 13 here. Of course it is 13 because बेटा 3 is already smaller than 6. So अगर आप 3 में से suppose 3 में से definitely it will be smaller one ना क्योंकि bigger यहाँ होगा and smaller will be here. So 3 minus 1, 3 minus 2 you can do and you will not get 6. So you have to see these two digits. If this is less than this one, so it will definitely greater one. So it is taken the borrow from here. It will become 7 and this will 13. Now 13 में से आप क्या माइनस करेंगे कि 6 आ जाए. तो अभी मैंने आपको बताया था कि दिस इज द एडिशन ऑफ दीज टू. डिफरेंस और सबट्रैंड का एडिशन है. तो 6 में क्या ऐड करें? कॉस 7. So 7 plus 6 give us 13 or we can say 13 minus 7 give us 6. Now reach on next step 7. What we subtract from 7 to get 4? 7 में से क्या माइनस करें कि 4 आ जाए? तो after 4 you learn the counting 5, 6, 7. It means 3. 7 minus 3 give us 4. Now the next. What the number should be there so that if you subtract 4, it will be 6. So it is the addition of these two will be here. 6 plus 4, 10. 10 is written here. So it must be 0 because after getting borrow, it become 10. Now, it has given to borrow this one. So it become 9. Now 9 में से क्या माइनस करें हम कि 3 आ जाए? 6. 9 minus 6 is 3. And 4 minus 1 is again 3. Let's check इन दोनों का एडिशन सही है यानी 7 plus 6 13, 4 plus 3 7 and 1 carry 8. 6 plus 4 10, 1 carry 6 3 9 1 10 and 1 carry. Okay, sorry, the mistake is there. Look how it become 9 when it taken the borrow from here because before it become 10. And then it give borrow to this one, so it become 9. So borrow has been taken from here. That's why it remain 3. So 3 minus 1 give us 2. Okay. After doing your question, you need to do the addition of these two numbers, subtrahend and difference. You will get the minuend. I hope this is clear. Do a lot of practice and from your book exercise 3.5 question number 3 and 4. You need to solve. Thank you and have a nice day.